Hello brother, in this session, in this video, we are start the next example based on the block reduction method. So this is the example number 2. In this example, they are giving a diagram, a bigger diagram with some blocks and some mixers. Okay, I'm just try to draw block diagram. Okay, this is G1, then this is G2 and H1 at the feedback. Okay, again there is 3 blocks are in parallel, that is block number 1, block number 2 and block number 3. Okay, they are mixed together here with one mixer like this. This is the mixer, right? Like this. Okay, 2 are positive mixer, 1 is negative, so that block is nothing but G3, G4 and G5. Okay, and again last one, there is a block of G6. Okay, and from here there is the one feedback is there, that feedback is called as H2. Okay, that feedback is comes towards the first mixer. Okay, and this feedback is called as a positive feedback. Okay, this is the input positive, right? Again the second feedback come here, and this is again negative feedback. This is positive. Okay, this is come from this side. Okay, this is the block diagram they are giving in the statement only, and they told us to find a transfer function, or they told us to find equivalent block, single equivalent block. Okay, so there are number of blocks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 blocks are there. So we use the same rules that we are already used in previous example. So what is the rule number 1? See here, rule number 1 I can see here clearly, that is 2 blocks G1 and G2 are in series, right? So we use series connection, and that second rule we use here like this. See, this G3, G4, G5 all are in parallel, right? So in the one step only I will use 2 rules, in the next step only I will use 2 rules. See, first mixer is as it is, right? Second mixer is as it is, right? Here we are giving input, that input we know that input is I of S, right? And output is C of S, right? C of S, right? So both mixers are as it is. Again feedback is as it is, feedback is as it is. What we do here, so G1 and G2 both are in series, that means we can club it out like this in the single block only, that is G1 into G2, correct? And that feedback is as it is, that is H1, right? This feedback is again as it is, that is H2. Okay, now this is as it is. Okay, second rule we applied here, that is G3, G4, G5 all are in parallel. See, G3, G2, G4 and G5 all 3 are in parallel, right? So what parallel connection said us, can we write down like this? G3 is positive plus, or G4 is negative, that's why I'm writing here G4 negative plus G5. Okay, okay, and that feedback is come from here to here. Okay, okay, and last one is G6. Okay, see here we use 2 rules, that is series and parallel connection rule. Just check it out in my previous video, and how these rules are reduce the blocks. Okay, let's move the next. See, this is positive, this is positive, this is positive, and this is negative, right? Now can we use rule here? See, can we use rule here? Because this is the forward path G1 G2 and H1 is a feedback path, right? H1 is a feedback path. So can we use rule number 7, that is elimination of feedback rule? What is the elimination of feedback rule? See here, we are just putting first mixer as it is, okay? Feedback is again as it is. Elimination of feedback rule, that is forward path at the top, that is G1 and G2 at the top, right? And 1 plus G1, G2 and H1. This is the elimination of feedback path. Rule number 7, okay? Just see that rule. And next block is as it is, that is G3 minus G4 plus G5, okay? Okay, and last one is G6, okay? One feedback is eliminated here, one is remaining as it is, so it is H2 and it comes from this side to this side, okay? This is positive and this is again positive, right? And see, this is as it is. Now again there is a rule we can use here. See, these two blocks, two forward blocks are in series. See, these two blocks are in series, so can we use again same rule as we use in the first step? Okay, what is the rule number? Series rule. What is the series rule? See, first mixer is as it is, okay? Input and there is a feedback, and can we add this whole block in series? When both blocks are in series, so it is as it is, G1 G2 divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1 into G3 minus G4 plus G5, right? Right, and last block is as it is, G6, okay? And this is the feedback came from this side. Here is the feedback, okay? This is the H2, okay? Let's go on the next page. Okay, what is the previous rule? See, here can we use again same rule here, elimination of feedback path. See, here we can use elimination of feedback path. We can use here elimination of feedback path, right? For this forward path and this feedback element. So what is that rule? Rule is very much simple. I'm just taking a little bit down, okay? Rule is very much simple. Feedback forward path at the top, that is G1 G2 in bracket G3 minus G4 plus G5, right? Divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1, right? This is the forward block, right? Whole divided by this is the positive, right? And this is the positive, right? So 1 minus forward path, that is G1 G2 G3 minus G4 plus G5 whole divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1, right? H1 into feedback element, that is H2. So this is your next block after elimination of feedback element, okay? And last block is as it is, that is G6. See again, this block, bigger block and G6 are in series, right? Again we can use series rule, right? So what is the series rule? Just multiply this G6, okay? So block become very much bigger, okay? Better can we can we minimize the block? Okay, let's minimize the block. See, G1 G2 G3 minus G4 plus G5 as it is divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1 as it is, right, whole divided by, again see, when we take cross multiplication here, so when we take cross multiplication here, so it is a 1 plus G1 G2 H1, right, minus G1 G2 G3 minus G4 plus G5 into H2 whole divided by right, 1 plus G1 G2 H1, right. See what we do, this bracket is multiplied to the 1, cross multiplication here, so this bracket is multiplied with the 1, so this step become like this. Okay, now can we cancel this? See, can we cancel this term and this term? Can we cancel this? So remaining only very small term. Okay, remaining only very small term. Now see, last step is pending here. Here next block is G6, so G6 is we put as it is, right. Let's move after cancellation of this term, maybe a block very in the reduced form. Okay, so what is the block? G1 G2 G3 minus G4 plus G5 whole divided by 1 plus G1 G2 H1 minus G1 G2 in bracket G3 minus G4 plus G5 H2, right. And again see, G6 in series, so it become multiplication, so just we multiply here G6, so this is your single block after reduction of all the blocks, and this is your final term as we get. Okay, the term become very complicated, but don't worry regarding that complication, it is your final answer. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding the steps that I am following the solve the example, just pause the video, just go behind and watch again, you get a final solution. Again after that, if you not get the solution, please put the screenshot of this step on my WhatsApp. I will give you a better solution for the given step. Thank you.